Want to replace your washing machine's drive belt? With these steps, you'll have it fixed in no time. What do you need? A screwdriver and a new drive belt. Step 1. Remove the back plate. Remove all screws from the back plate and take it out. Step 2. Remove the old drive belt. Remove the drive belt by gently pulling it off at the drum drive wheel. Step 3. Insert the new drive belt into the washing machine. Place the new drive belt around the motor shaft first. Then pull it while rolling it over the drum's belt wheel. Step 4. Replace the back plate. Place the back plate back on the washing machine and reattach all the screws. You have replaced the drive belt and the washing machine is ready to use again.